Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking level and securing the vehicle. That ensures safety while you work. Next, expose both connectors and inspect pins for corrosion because poor contact causes failures. Once cleaned, align the plug and push straight in until it clicks. That provides a secure mechanical and electrical connection. If your trailer uses a 4-pin adapter on a 7-pin, attach the adapter now. Make sure to fasten any retaining clip to prevent the plug from vibrating loose on the road. With the plug connected, turn on the truck lights and test circuits systematically so you know which wire controls what. That prevents guesswork. Use a multimeter or a trailer light tester to confirm 12V on the hot pin and continuity to trailer lamps, because voltage without load can be misleading. Once each function is verified, left, right, brake, tail, secure any splices with crimp connectors and wrap with electrical tape. Then apply dielectric grease to the connector to keep moisture out and prolong reliability. You finish by doing a final walk-around. Confirm all bulbs illuminate with a helper operating signals because visual confirmation is the fastest check. Tighten the ground bolt at the trailer frame and ensure the connector housing is locked. A marginal ground often causes only some lights to work. If a circuit still fails, unplug and check each pin with the tester, then trace wiring for breaks or corrosion. Tip: if one side is out, check the ground and bulb sockets first. They are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.